When you're looking at your mental plate, we have to keep on reminding you that attention is important, but any form of tension should and must be avoided. Attention will help you to develop your power to visualize. Tension will interrupt your ability to be able to see things clearly in your mind's eye. So tension should be avoided. Attention should be entertained, but tension should be avoided. You do not need to be tense. Just remain relaxed. Relaxation is the key to this. Your eyes know what to do. They know how to see. Your brain knows exactly what to do. But you've got to stay absolutely relaxed. The more relaxed you are, the better the exercise.